one and only Lady Joy. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, today matter na about one pastor wey gbeme e wife. My ogbonge people, sometimes I dey wonder for wetin dey happen for this world. Wetin dey really dey happen, like seriously. My darling people, this man gbeme him own wife, my darling people. Like, now so this life could be now. I be waiting, my darling people. I no come know wetin dey happen again for this world. This pastor gbeme him wife because him wife and the wife get belle. Hey, na that one I can't even pay me pass, my darling people. Him wife get belle. This man gbeme him own wife because of just a little misunderstanding. Whether make you give am make also or make you not give am, me I not know for this pastor. A pastor for that matter. My darling people. Now if gbeme him own wife. My ogbonge people, the matter tire me, oh. The matter tire me when I see the video. A woman will get belle. Hi, this pastor, wetin you dey preach for people? Shebi you dey always dey preach make men not beat their wife. How come you can't gbeme your own? You can't beat your own gbeme ram. A pregnant woman for that matter, my darling people. Wetin dey happen for this world? Wetin dey play? Wetin dey happen? Why some men they heartless like this? Why? How can a pastor wey dey preach for church make a member not beat their wife? Oh, you now can't gbeme your own. You can't beat and so say you can't forget say she get belle. Hi, who does that, my darling people? Who does that really? How can a pastor wey dey preach for church say make they not beat, make members not beat their wife? How come you can't gbeme your own? Wetin can happen when you can't gbeme your own? My darling people, sometimes you know say I don't lose the tell una say there are some things where go dey happen for this world. Sometimes me the thing go dey shocktalize me. That is why to go church sometimes they tire me, oh. Because these pastors, they know they preach wetin then they do. They know they preach am. Don't go they lie to us, whereas they know they do the same thing. No, how can a pastor when your wife get belle, this man meme your wife, he beats am so and the guy no belle wey don big we go soon born pikin. Wetin enter this pastor? Wetin enter this pastor? Wey this man do this kind of thing? My people, share this video, please. Share this video. Like the thing they read, they tire me, like seriously. This is so painful, like seriously. Very, very sad news. How can a pastor go just gbeme your wife? And they'll come out and begin they preach what they know they do. Though they preach, may you they practice what they preach, show, but they know they do the same thing. Why? Why this life be like this? If I dey tell una say this life no balance, it no balance, my darling people, it no balance. Because if the life really balance, how can a pastor go beat his wife and remember like that? My darling people, see things they happen for this world, though. Things they really they happen. Like seriously, a beautiful woman just go like that. Mona they look me before una marry them, I beg. Especially when you date man. And you know say this man, now man where they beat. Man where be say ever any small thing he don't beat you, my dear, no marry him. No marry him, run for your life. Some men are terrible. Some men they send they come destroy for this world. Real, yeah. Some men they wicked. You understand? Before you marry, please look. Look before you marry, please. Look before you marry. Not go marry because you want marry. No. Look before you marry. I beg. Okay? How can somebody go just marry? You could just marry a man who be say na wrestler. Some men, they go want use it to turn to their pushing bag. They want use it to learn how to beat person. If they beat their own sister like that, they're not go they happy. Why? Why? How can you can't do that kind of thing to your own wife? Your own wife, where God give you, you make sure say you bemera. You beat and finish. You don't see reach you. When you get belly, something enter you where you they do on this man. I see and say they don't arrest the man. I beg, when that man just did, they may not come out again. Me spend the rest of your life for inside jail there. Because he beat a woman where get belly. Why? Why this man? Wait till come over you. Wait till come over you. Why you go do this kind of thing to your own wife? To your own wife. Hey, the life not balance. So my darling people, you not balance. The life not balance. That is why they always tell women, look before you marry. Especially when you did this and you know say this man, he don't feel they do like this right from time, you don't go change. I beg, run for your life, please. If that kind of man bring engagement, say want marry you. Not marry her, because wait till they make our women they marry and go say it go change if you don't marry her. It not go change. Wait till he don't learn, and not go change her. Yeah. It not go change. Now he wait. Now he wait till they beat. So you wait be say you get sense. Run for your life, my dear. Run for your life. Yeah. I know of one girl, one of my friends that year, when they date one guy, that's also beat the guy they beat her. When the guy come tell and say one marry her, when after that beating, they come quarrel. He come they beg and back. I see beg which he gets say lie. I tell him, say, but this guy don't they beg you, may you forgive him. He said no, he don't go fit. He said one of her hand not the work. Is it not because of this guy? And beat where they beat him. What about he come marry this guy? He come settle with her, he come blind the eye. He said no. Stone, what does he say they come for up? They don't they wait, make that stone meet person. As I saying God knows, and I saw it be. As the guy beg and rich, she said no. Another person, then she come marry. Another person. And she's happily married. She's happy. You understand? So that is why, my darling people. If you date man, that man they beat you, no marry him. No marry him, because if that man say he want marry you, no marry him. Because we all for the get her wrong, they say it go change if we don't marry. It don't go change. Wait till you don't learn, it can never change. It can never change, my darling people. So you will get a year, make you hear. Thank you, my darling people. Anything you want to think about this video, more than leave a comment for the comment section. Thank you. Bye.